Good morning, children. Today we will discuss recognition of solid. To identify the 3D shapes, that is the only thing we have to study over here. We have to identify cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone, prism, pyramid. These measurements are the three-dimensional figures. We have to go through this chapter. It is what is two-dimensional. First of all, you have to understand what is two-dimensional. Look at the line. This is a line segment. It is one dimension. It has only one dimension. It has only length only. Okay. Then moving to two dimension means it has two dimension. One is length, another one is breadth. So square, rectangle, square, trapezium, parallelogram, they are of the two-dimensional figures. Now we are discussing solid shapes. They are three-dimensional figures. They have length, breadth, and height. Three dimensions are there, so they are known as three-dimensional figures. Look at this. This is a cube, cuboid, cylinder. You know all the shapes. We have studied in the last year also. This is a sphere, but we can draw only two-dimensional. This cone, prism, pyramid. Okay. First, we can discuss cuboid. Cuboid has how many faces? It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay. This is the face, and this is their edge, and these are the corners. 8 corners, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Look at here. This is a cuboidal shape. Okay. It has 6 faces. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces. This is its edge, and this is another edge. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is also 4 corners. 4 plus 4, 8 corners. And edges 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Here is 2 plus 2 more, total 12 sides for this cuboid. And look at here. This is a cube. Cube has also 6 faces, but all the faces are of the shape of square. It also has 8 corners, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Look at here. This one is cube and this one is cuboid. Now look at another shape. This is a cylinder. Look at here. Cylinder. Cylinder has one curved face and 2 circular face, and this is its edge. Okay. And another one is this. Look at here. This is a cone. Cone has a base is the shape of a circle, and it is a curved face, and it has an edge also. This is the shapes, different shapes. Okay, now it is a sphere. It has no edge, vertex or no edge. Cylinder has 2 edges and 3 faces. This is the edge, 2 edges, and 3 faces. Two circular faces, shape of circle, and this is a curved face. Total 3 faces. Okay, sphere has has no vertex and no edge because it is just like a ball. Now cone has one vertex, that is a top point. This is a top point, one edge, and 2 surfaces. It has 2 surfaces. One is curved surface and one is circular surface. This curved surface and this circular. This is its edge. Okay. Then prism. I didn't prepare the prism, but look at here. Prism is a solid geometrical figure whose two ends and similar equal to the parallel rectilinear figures whose side edges are parallelogram or rectangles. That means these faces are parallelogram, and on top and bottom is a triangular prism. It has 3 faces, 3 rectangle faces and 2 triangle faces. Okay. It has 9 edges, 6 vertex. This is a triangle prism. Now another prism is there's a prism of solid whose side face is parallelogram or rectangle, and where end face is based on the parallel or congruent polygons. 5 sided faces are also there. Look at the picture. This one is 5 sided pentagon pentagon prism. 2 faces. This the top and bottom face are like a pentagon, so it is known as pentagon prism. According to the sides, we can this base figures. We have this edge and corners will be changed. It has 15 edge and 10 vertices. Just for information I am talking. There is no need to prepare all this, draw all this. Next is pyramid. Pyramid is a solid space whose base is plain rectilinear figures such as triangles, quadrilateral, and whose side faces are triangles with a common vertex. The common vertex must lie outside the plane of the base. Okay, this is a triangular prism. and this is a base is like a square, so it is a quadrilateral prism. Here look, there is a preparing a table for the three-dimensional three solid shapes, and is a picture of solid shapes, and vertex, edge and figure faces are given. For the cube, 8 vertex, 12 edge and 6 faces. Cuboid A same, and cylinder has 0 vertex, 2 edges and 3 faces. Sphere has only 1 face, and cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 faces. Prism has, according to the name of the prism, this prism, triangle prism, has 6 vertex, 9 edge and 5 faces, and triangular pyramid has 4 vertex, 6 edges and 4 faces. Square pyramid has 5 vertex, 8 edges and 5 faces. Next is we are discussing nets of 3-dimensional. That means how to prepare a 3-dimensional shape. We have the nets of cube, cuboid. Look at here, this is a net of a cube. I have opened, this is a covering of a toothpaste, but when this is the shape of a cuboid, so I open it. We got how to prepare a cuboid from this pattern. This is a one type of net of a cuboid. I will show another one. Another one. This is another net of a cuboid. It has 6 faces. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to our measurement, we can prepare yourself. This is, I have prepared only 10 centimeter for the vertex on this rectangle, and here is 4 centimeter. Using this pattern, I have using this first pattern I have prepared. This is another pattern of a cube. It has 6 faces. This is the first pattern I have used to prepare this cube net. Okay, when we connect through this ends, we can prepare a cube. Look at this. This is a net, and when we join it, we get the cube. I prepare through this first pattern. Okay, you can use any one of this. Next, cuboid. For this cuboid, I have prepared this pattern. I have taken for it, and it's a cuboidical pattern. When we join this shape, I will get a cuboid. So this is a cuboidical net. Okay, another one is, this is a shape of a cube. When I prepare this, we must have a circular shape in the bottom. Okay, net of a cone. Okay, just like you can prepare yourself. All type of nets are given here. Next one is cylinder, cone. This is a net of cylinder. The different types of nets are here. You can use any one of these to prepare it. Net of cone, that I have shown you. This pattern is I have used for the cylinder. Look at here. This is when we join both the sides using a circle. Okay, this is a pattern of cone. Another circular pattern, we can put it in the bottom. Okay, this I prepare a cylinder. This is the pattern of cylinder. That means you can use any one of the method pattern or given over here to prepare it. And another one is net of prism, and nets of pyramid is also given for the exhibition or some fire. You can prepare all these shapes by yourself. Another time is how to draw cube and cuboid using that graph paper. So when we using a graph, I have taken to draw a cube. That is 1. How many units I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 units. So all the sides must have 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is a square. When we draw this using, to use the, you have to use scale. We join this, you will get a pattern or to sketch a cube. This is a shape of a cube. Using the graph paper you can draw a cube. It's just like you can prepare cube and cuboid using the graph dot using the dotted line. So okay, you can prepare yourself. The pattern is given over here. Just how to prepare, how to draw a cube or cuboid. That is only we are trying to draw opaque sketch of cuboid is given over here. And first one is an opaque form of drawing a cube also. Okay, try. There is no need to complete this exercise. Leave it just for your understanding and information. I have taken this chapter. Just go through the video. That's all. Okay, thank you.